Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Telegram wallet to Binance. So, of course, you need to have some Ton on your Telegram wallet, and to send Toncoin from your Telegram wallet to Binance, you need to have your Binance's Ton wallet address. To do that, let's just go to Binance. So, and here on the Binance app, all you need to do is tap on Portfolio and tap on Add Funds. So once you tap on Add Funds, this pop-up will appear. What you want to do is deposit crypto. Deposit crypto, all you need to do is search for Ton. It's going to show up, as you can see. Tap on that. And here, what you want to do is choose a network. So tap this. And here you're going to see our Binance Ton deposit address and memo. So we need those two. So tap on copy, save and shake. There you go. Tap on copy like that. Go back to Telegram wallet. Tap send. Tap external wallet. Toncoin, of course. And here paste the wallet. Continue. It's 003. Continue. We need a tag, of course. Go back to Binance, copy the memo or the tag, go back to Telegram wallet, paste the tag, confirm and send, and there you have it. As you can see, it is depositing. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.